Discover the MaxCarry 3 Unfolding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike, a versatile home fitness solution designed to deliver twice the results in half the time. But is it all it claims to be? Let's dive into the features and feedback to find out. The MaxCarry bike boasts a foldable upright design, perfect for easy storage. Its magnetic resistance system offers 8 levels of tension, adjustable for a personalized workout experience. The bike supports a maximum weight of 265 pounds, which is quite impressive for its category. It's equipped with an ergonomic seat and backrest, ensuring comfort during your exercise sessions. What sets this bike apart are the resistance bands. They allow for an upper body workout in tandem with your cycling, maximizing your exercise efficiency. Monitoring your progress is simple with the LCD screen, which tracks speed, time, distance, and calories burned. Plus, the heart rate monitor keeps you informed about your cardiovascular performance. For those who like to stay entertained while exercising, the bike includes a tablet holder. This feature lets you enjoy your favorite shows or music, making your workout fly by. Transportation wheels are a thoughtful addition, making it a breeze to move the bike as needed. Now let's talk about setting it up. Assembly is a breeze. The bike arrives partially assembled with a clear manual. All necessary tools are included, ensuring you can get started in no time, even if you're not particularly handy. Sturdiness goes a long way. Despite its price point, users report that the bike is stable and robust, living up to its weight support promise. The comfortable seat and backrest add to the quality experience. However, taller individuals may want to look elsewhere. The bike is best suited for those under 5 feet 8 inches to avoid any discomfort or joint strain. The magnetic resistance is user-friendly, with 8 well-balanced levels suitable for various fitness levels. But if you're seeking a gym-like challenge, this bike might not meet your needs. It's also whisper quiet, allowing you to watch TV or enjoy other media without noise interference. A definite plus for those who prefer a distraction while they sweat it out. The LCD is sleek yet simple, displaying one stat at a time. This is typical for budget-friendly home gym bikes, but it's something to consider if you prefer more comprehensive data at a glance. Some users have reported issues with the pedals, often due to incorrect assembly. Fortunately, MaxCarry is known for excellent customer support and is ready to assist. Pros: the bike's assembly is straightforward, the seat is ergonomic, and the construction is sturdy. The inclusion of resistance bands and the quiet operation are significant advantages. Cons: the bike may not be the best fit for taller individuals, and the LCD monitor's single-stat display could be a limitation for some users. Exercise Bike Buying Guide. When shopping for an exercise bike, it's crucial to try before you buy. Adjust the bike to your size and ensure it has a comfortable seat and pedals. Watch the warranties. A good warranty can provide peace of mind. Look for at least 2 to 3 years of coverage on major moving parts and a year for labor. Features. Consider what features are important to you, from basic amenities like a water bottle holder to more interactive options like video games. Why is the flywheel weight important for spin bikes? A heavy flywheel provides a more natural, smooth cycling experience, mimicking the momentum and resistance of outdoor biking. It's essential for a realistic and effective workout,